That was a Neal deal. He's going. Take it. Set the hook. Smash it. Oh. We now have 3 generations of fishermen, okay? We decided because of that, we're gonna take an elite father and son trip. We're going south to Springfield to fish one of those nuclear reactor lakes, the cooling lakes. They call them the cooling lakes. Multi-species, an elite Airbnb. We're fishing all day and into the night. See if we can't catch something nuclear. Hey, my name Neal Deal. Let's go fishing. Okay, pretty simple panko mix here, strawberry jello, breadcrumbs, corn, and I'm just chucking it out over a wide area. You know, generally that attracts the carp, but the scent out there is going to put catfish in the range and any other sort of bait fish, which is going to bring any sort of game fish. So just getting some regular old panko scent out there, get some activity right here in this little area that we're setting up. But we'll end up using catfish, worms, anything that we find as well. I'm going to cast net on the other side of the road where the river is and see if we can get some sort of shad or even a small carp. We'll cut that up. We'll use everything and anything that we've got, and we're going multi-species. We'll take whatever the lake gives us. See if we can do it like the Indians. Nice. Fresh, not really fresh. Shad, dead shad. Hey bud, how are you?
Good.
Kingfish, are you rolling?
Yeah.
Are you rolling? Hi, PFG.
No, if you've been peeing in your pants,
That's sweat. Oh, sh**. There's a Neal deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on. Oh, God. Channel cat. Woo! Still got the bait.
did you bring?
Already? You just casted it. How? It hadn't even hit the water. That's a decent size. Better channel. Better.
Well, I'm not used to unhooking a fish like that. I got it first try, great fish.
Fish on? Okay, Neal deal on. He was on after all. Tighten that drag. Little channel.
Fish.
Nice little channel. Nice catch, King. Nice channel.
Really
Nice and
small.
smooth. Yeah. No, down to 40. He's going. Take it, King. Take it. Set the hook. Smash it. Yeah, Neal deal on. Small?
I'm not sure. I can't tell.
Number 2 for King. He's in the hot spot.
Good one?
Yeah.
Totally me?
Oh, pretty channel.
Okay.
You come off the hook?
Yep. Man. Me?
Are you good? You got one on? You need the net? Still?
I think it's hooked in the back.
Oh boy. No, it's hooked normal. It's just line is on the fin. Dada with a small carp.
Dad got a small carp.
Nice, Dada.
Is it growing in trees?
Yeah, it's like we're in Saipan.
It's in my rod.
Here, let me twist these. Oh, it's pretty clear water. It's shallow as though. Shit. All we need is one pool. I'm thinking we walk through that stuff though. This old railroad spike or something. Oh, it's a good slough. Surprising.
Oh, right there, gar.
Get it, chicken. Great eyes. In front of it, throw it in front of it. It's going downstream. Get it out there. Short nose gar. Wait, you want to take it or?
No,
Through. Out of the way.
Get it, Yar?
Good throw. I got him. I definitely got him. Is he stuck? He's stuck. Neal Deal on, baby! Neal Deal on! Looks like we got ourselves a short nose gar. No! Stay. Hold my hand. No. He's gone. Oh, there's a bigger fish. Down here in the rapids.
Where?
There's a couple of them. They're down here, Sean. And I just put it on them. We need to get ourselves over here so you can stand. Oh,
Can I
look.
just take my socks off? I can get down there.
Oh, he's on. Neal Deal on. Oh, massive gar. You see that? There's one, two. Oh, I might have got them both. Let's see. Neal Deal on. I'm doubled up. Or at least one.
Yes.
My first short nose.
Are you gonna hold them?
Oh yeah.